Customers of an Ontario insurance company CityNews told you about months ago say they are still having issues and are frustrated that promises the company made weeks back still have not been fulfilled. Back in January, CityNews told you about customer complaints regarding Onlia Insurance. A company recently bought and changed from insurance provider to insurance broker. That changeover had some hiccups for policyholders of the former company. While Onlia has been working to address issues, many say they're still left frustrated. Keisha McKenzie is one of them.
I've been trying to reach out to them. They don't answer. When they do answer, it's like weeks later.
She had home, car, and tenant insurance policies with Onlia with no issues for years. But once the company changed over from provider to broker,
they canceled both my homes and my auto. And it was only after I contacted you that they reinstated the tenant's policy.
Antoinette Bailey says her Onlia auto policy was abruptly canceled in January for non-payment, but says Onlia was still withdrawing pre-authorized payments.
The cancellation still went through before my date of renewal. And then they again took the money out for the January payment. Because they kept going into my bank account, I then suffered from about $45 times 3 with my bank for NSF fees, although they said my insurance was canceled.
But Onlia says it did not cancel policies. The company was purchased only after Verisure, the original underwriter, exited the market. Non-renewals by Verisure are not cancellations by Onlia. The distinction has been a recurring source of confusion, a spokesperson told us. As for billing and pre-authorized payment issues, Onlia says in rare cases, system overlaps may have led to incorrect withdrawals. These are now being proactively identified with refunds processed within one billing cycle. Onlia admits there are still customers facing issues, telling us since our last report, they've increased customer service staff. As a result, they tell us our average call wait times are now under 6 minutes, and we are continuously working on improving our service levels. But those like McKenzie and Bailey, soured by their experience, have filed complaints with the Registered Insurance Brokers of Ontario, or REBO, asking them to investigate Onlia. In response, a REBO spokesperson telling us we can't comment on the specifics of complaints or ongoing investigations about any individual licensee at this time.
You know, I would just say my experience with Onlia, it was unpredictable. It left me with a little bit of worries for a few days and for a few months.
As always, if you have an issue, story, or question you'd like us to look into, reach out by visiting the Speaker's Corner tab on the City News website. Taney, City News.